Yeah, this MOSARROW, man. Yeah. Today we are having a live conversation. Like, of late, people always come to us. We talk a lot, so maybe most of our conversations here too will be live. Yeah, you'll be getting everything there as we are getting it here. So subscribe, man. Be part of the fun. Follow us on any platform across the media, Twitter, everything. MOSARROW Ghana is there. Pregnancy. He made the later part to be very painful, so that if they send you to the bed and say push seconds, everything will come out. So back to our conversation. I want for TV. I don't want it to be said you are only enjoying this information. You understand? Yes. Let me come closer to this baby. Hey baby, do you hear me? Check. Yeah, back to what we were saying. You have to be very happy with whatever you have. Most of the times, this is why we are not always satisfied. Sometimes you're okay in life. Look at you being here. I'm being here why you don't get. Whatever you need in life, you get it, right? That's why I say maybe you don't value what you have. So you say, yeah, you have this nice slippers. You'll be thinking, no, I don't need these slippers. I need their shirt. You understand? So always your focus is say you want something that somebody have. Idea somebody is using. That's why you want to focus on. So always you are not satisfied with what you have. Sometimes what you have is $1 billion for somebody. You'll be eating that your jollof. I know you like that I'm making that jollof. You'll be eating that your jollof, but you are not satisfied with it. Somebody down there will be saying, hey, wow, this woman every day she cooks rice. I wish I can cook rice, just raw rice. But you have it in the form of jollof. Sometimes you have some meat in it. Sometimes you don't have meat.
Yes, I don't take in more meat because I don't like putting on weight. People always like, you are too slim, put on weight. But I don't like putting on weight. So I don't take much meat. So sometimes you see me eating the raw jollof without meat.
But somebody just wants only the rice so that they will feed their kids with only the rice. They don't need any stew. So you see, you are not satisfied. But as soon as you start appreciating, oh, have rice with stew jollof, I'm okay. Because somebody is needing that one. So far as I have it, I'm okay. You're going to be okay for the rest of your life. But if you have it now and you still want what Asumasi is having, trust me, you're never going to make it in life. Always, you don't make you make yourself feel that you're not making anything. So always you are down. Your self-esteem is down. Your confidence level. You can't go and talk to people about problems. You think that, oh, let me keep it to myself. I'm so low. So always pains in you. Pains. Like you are dying. You are killing yourself. So sometimes if you follow it too much, you are going to get high blood pressure and those stuff. I'm a health worker, man, so I know what I'm talking about. And as well as I'm a mental health officer. Your body, your whole full body is controlled by your conscience, what you're thinking about. So if your blood pressure will go high, depends on what you're thinking about. Somebody came to you and you were very anxious, definitely the blood pressure will shoot. But if you're okay with that person, you're not anxious, blood pressure will be normal. And trust me, the dopamine to be high because you are okay. But if you don't follow this principle, you are killing yourself. the blood pressure will be shooting. You understand me? You are anxious of yourself. So let me set a very practical example. Let's say you're at home with your man. He's doing things you don't like, and you're afraid to tell him. Trust me. What are you doing to yourself? Yes, comment in the comment section if you are here. You too, I want to hear it from you. So let's say you are in a home with your man, and you are having a lot of anxiety for that man. You are very afraid of him. So, like, we have difference between fear and anxiety. I hope you know that. Yeah. You are very anxious about him. You're very anxious about him. What do you think will happen to you? Just comment there. What do you think? Everything about your relationship is going to break down. I get you. Everything about your relationship is gonna get down. To be very down. Because you think we have to be doing this so that we get a happy home, but I'm afraid to tell this man. This man too don't know about those stuff. But you know that if I tell him that the home is going to be very, very happy for the life, he said, why if Mekokana, he shout at me. But if you tell him to, like, the home is going to be perfect, maybe he will never shout out to you. That time he's in a damn good mood, man. You have to treat him good. We're treating him good, like he's in a damn good mood. So everything's going to be fine. But you are thinking, if I go and tell him and he blast me, what will happen? But maybe that thing can change your life, your whole home. You're going to be very happy. So that's why in everything you have to take risk. Take bigger risks. That's how you become very happy. Even in business, the more the risk, the more the success. I'm not sure you say if the risk is high in the business, no. But the more you take more risks, the more you become more successful. You get me? That's why the billionaires keep becoming billionaires. Yeah. I'm into Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is something like, the more you take more high risk, the more returns you get. There are some coins that will come, maybe they are fraud. You can go and invest in it and all your money will go and you'll be looking at it just like this. But there are some coins, if you purchase it, I bought a coin for 10,000 then. It was a big headache for me. I'll be watching it every day, every time. And I didn't tell anybody. And it was in me, scratching me. You can imagine that. That was the only money I was having. I bought a coin with it. And I was afraid it was a scam. Every day I'll be following each other, how far with it. The guy who let me. And trust me, 3 months time it blew. The coins came out successfully. So if the billionaires, they buy multi of these coins, so definitely they are going to cash out from one of them. They are going to cash out. So I think you have to very enjoy what you have. If you are here, just subscribe, follow us on any media. I'm going to bring you lengthy conversation. I wanted the video to be a little bit short. It's about 10 minutes now. So just follow. I'll be giving you more live conversation as well as videos that contains motivation for yourself, for your relationship, for your life. As well as I'll be exploring you into different sides and giving you daily business tips I do that works for me rather. So make sure you subscribe, give a thumbs up to the video, share to friends and family. If you love me, kindly share to me, man. We are fun, man. Share it to me. I want to see you in my DM. You can get my contact all across any media that you search MOSARROW. Even Google, just type MOSARROW, you can get the contact over there. Thanks for watching.